Right now I am fixing my hood on the cord. As you can see, this thing's lifted too high, so I'm gonna try raising it a little higher. This is what I was talking about, lift it a little higher, but I already took this off. This cover is coming off, so I'm gonna be taking this and lifting it a little higher, see if that does it, because the hood is not closing, and of course I don't want the hood to open and break my windshield, so let's try fixing it. Okay, as you can see, I adjusted it a little, so I guess let's try closing the hood, see what happens. Let's see what's happening down here. As you can see, it's not getting it, but we're gonna try fixing that. As you can see, should be locking in there, but it is not. As you can see, it's not even doing anything, but we'll figure it out. Okay guys, figured it out. As you can see, I am lifting on the hood and it's not opening now, but let's go open it. Let's push that down. Okay guys, at first I did try this because mostly common thing that goes on them is those little ones. So you can see how down it was, but I raised it up. It was this little wire, I was just messing with it. They say it's better if you push it down, but also I took it out. So you can see it has that little slot for it. Take it out, pop it back in, try closing the hood, and that's how you do it. Okay, put the grill, 2 simple screws, just gotta tie that one, and okay, that's good. I already put the other one, and now I'm gonna close the hood, and everything's pretty good. Car's running good, so it's pretty good for today. So hood just working. Hood is fixed. As you can see, not opening. That's a plus. Remember guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and respect all builds.